Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 activation issues, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, if you're encountering the activation error, then most probably you will see this troubleshoot symbol at the bottom. I don't see it because my system is activated, but if you encounter this issue, you will notice troubleshoot here. Click on this option and run the activation troubleshooter. In most of the cases, this will help. If not, simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter. And then you can search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, select services, hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Okay, these are the only things that you can do from your end. If your license has expired, or you had a volume license, or you had an OEM key but you changed the computer, then you will face this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.